Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on Friday morning filed his tax returns for the 2017 financial year in fulfillment of a statutory requirement. He also launched the 2018 Tax and Good Governance Week.
Dr. Bawumia directed the Commissioner General of the Ghana Revenue Authority to develop a mobile app by the end of 2018 to enable a lot more Ghanaians file their tax returns before the end of April every year.
The end of April every year is when all tax-paying Ghanaians must file their tax returns with the GRA. The returns are the final submission on the economic activities of registered businesses and persons in relation to their tax obligations. The GRA says the only exemptions are businesses who have applied to the GRA's Commissioner General for some extension. However, the GRA says the compliance rate is very low, and therefore they need to whip up awareness about this requirement and file their tax returns in good time. The launch of the Tax and Good Governance Week is to ensure that Ghanaians live up to this civic responsibility and comply with Income Tax Act 896, which enjoins all persons registered for tax purposes to file their annual tax returns before the end of April every year. It was symbolic for the Vice President, Dr. Bawumia, to file his returns, an indication that no one is above the law. The Commissioner General of the GRA, Mr. Kofi Nti, said the move is to increase tax compliance and failure to comply attracts sanctions.
It is our expectation that this year the GRA will record an impressive increase in the number of taxpayers filing their returns voluntarily, complying and ultimately maximizing revenue for national development. This will contribute greatly to the government's vision of Ghana Beyond Aid, which aims at making us more self-dependent. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I urge you all to file your 2017 and outstanding annual income tax returns by 30th April 2018. I wish to state that the required penalty would be imposed on defaulters after 30th April 2018.
The Finance Minister, Mr. Ken Ofori-Atta, said government has demonstrated that taxes collected are being used judiciously through major policies.
More importantly, as you can see, the past year has been a given government. A given government because we cancelled nuisance tax, we abolished nuisance taxes of about 1 billion cedis. Thanks to the Minister of Energy, we reduced electricity taxes, and that brought rates down. We also had our free SHS policy. Teachers and nursing training allowances were restored. And to make sure we protect it, we also have a special prosecutor for our country. So this has been a giving government. Government has shown faith to the citizenry, to civil society, and it is really time for the cynicism as to how government will apply the resources that we pay to be equally returned.
The Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, said developed economies rely on domestic revenue mobilization for development, and if Ghana must move beyond aid, this is the line to toe.
It is instructive to note that over the past years, revenue mobilization has not kept pace with the ever-growing demands of our citizens for development projects and better services in education, health, water, sanitation, housing, and maintenance of law and order from government. Commissioner General, I would like to challenge you that by the time we get to next year, where we have to file our taxes by the end of April 30th, we want to see a mobile app which we can have on our phones and be able to file our taxes just on our mobile phones and pay them on our mobile apps without having to step into any office.
The GRA says of the over 6 million workforce in Ghana, just a fraction, 1.3 million, are registered with the GRA and pay taxes. And this, the Tax and Governance Week, seeks to correct to get more to honor the obligation and pay their taxes.